Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. You know it's hot out, and when it gets hot, we lose a lot of things, and one of the things that we lose is the AC. And a lot of the problems that we have is when you call out a technician, the easiest thing for a technician to do is just simply replace the whole darn thing. Now here's the thing. Instead of replacing the whole air conditioner, which may be $1,200, there's a lot of things that go wrong that is a lot cheaper in cost to go ahead and replace them. What I want to do is go over some of the top tips that you can do to replace just some of the components, not the whole air conditioner. So the first thing is, let's say your fan does not work on the air conditioner, right? Maybe the compressor comes on, but the fan doesn't come on. Well, it could be the fan motor. It could be the capacitor. Both of those are replaceable, okay? Now, cost-wise, one's $100, $150. The other one's maybe $10 or $15. Here's the point. You don't have to replace the whole AC. Could be the fan, could be the capacitor. Another situation, let's say nothing goes to the air conditioner. You turn on the air conditioner, nothing. Well, there's a few things there. It could be a loose connection. It could be a circuit board. It still could be the capacitor. All of those are replaceable or repairable. Let's say it's blowing, but you're not getting much airflow. Well, putting on a new AC probably won't fix the problem. What you have is some type of restriction. It could be a dirty filter. It could be dirty coils, or it could be collapsed ductwork. Let's say the compressor's on, you can hear it on, you got the fan on, but it's blowing warm air. Well, you get up there and you may find out that you got a leak. If you have a leak in the compressor or the compressor lines, well, it's time to go ahead and replace the whole thing. If you have a leak, that means there's a hole. And whenever they go to recharge these things, chances are they don't fix the hole. It's kind of like filling up a tire. You had a flat tire on your bicycle. You just go over there and pump it up. Well, you pumped it up for a second. What happens after a while? It goes flat again. So don't waste your money recharging your little small air conditioner. Just replace the whole thing. Let's say you notice you got your compressor is on, the air is blowing, but it's blowing warm air. You look up at your evaporator coils and they're frozen. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you got low coolant. As a matter of fact, more than likely you don't have low coolant. What's going on is more than likely your freeze stat's out of place. You don't need to replace anything. You just need to reset it. These are the things that we teach you at the National RV Training Academy, so that way you're looking at replacing just the individual components, not the whole part. So if you're looking for someone to take care of your air conditioner needs, why don't you go ahead and go look for an RVTAA certified technician. They will do it the right way. And there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
What's a third one I could do? The compressor doesn't work. Hey, guess what? If the compressor doesn't work, you need a whole new AC.
Story, great. Oh yeah.
So we got the Great Poop Bandit. So these are the things that an RVTAA. These are things that these are the things that we teach you. Let's say you have no AC. There's a freaking hole there because you went down a bridge that was too small. There you got to replace your AC. But actually, it's part of the RVTA. What the hell is the... You got 30 minutes to build this.